What's good, y'all, man? We back again. Today I'm trading New York session today. Today I got lucky. We in New York session. But I'm looking at this gold demand right now. We finna see what happens when we get to this, if we come to the zone. So we get to this zone just like yesterday we had the supply. Today we got the opposite, this demand. If we get to the zone, I'm gonna take a buy. Well, if we get to the zone and you get a reaction, but yeah, man, this is simple demand setup. Like I said, solid red candle, push up in momentum, break a structure. And what I mean by break a structure is I just want to see price break some sort of defined high. Like if we have a strong high that's near it and price breaks that, creating a demand, then I call that a break of structure. So let's just see what happens when we get to the zone. Oh shit, we might just break through the zone at this with this reaction. Yeah, we about to break through the zone. Might be this right here on the 1 hour, but the reason I even consider this demand is the daily. We're bouncing off this support level, and this is a strong support level on the 4 hour as well. So that's the only reason I really am considering a demand today. But it look like we just about to break through the zone, and we just did. Yep. So once we break through the zone, I'm not even considering that as a setup no more. What the hell is going on? Is this news? It's 8:20. It can't be news. Yeah, we don't got. There's no USD news today. But this looked like actually a liquidity grab. Well, let me not speak too soon. Let's just see. Got this support area right here. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we got this support area right here. Let's see if we hold right here. But it looks like we just want to sell. Yeah, this is about to just flip all the way. I could be entering the buy right here at the break of the candle. Just because we came down here and bounced off the 200, so that's showing me that price wants to still continue up. And this kind of looks like a head and shoulders pattern, well, inverse head and shoulders. And usually when I see this pattern, that means price is about to continue up. Let me show on whatchamacallit. So hold on. So a head and shoulders pattern. So it's not exact, but this is a head and shoulders pattern, an inverse head and shoulders. And I just got triggered in the trade.
Stop filled.
So I want to see one low, a lower low, and another low coming back to retest in. So this is kind of a head and shoulders, but it's not perfect. So I'm just gonna take the risk on this. All we have in a way is the 13 for real, so we could break the 13, we're really good. And I like how we just rejected off the 50. Okay, we're holding at the 13 right here. Let's just see. Let's see. We just broke back below the 50. This is not looking too good. Is the winning streak, the 3 trade win streak about to come to an end, y'all? Alright, now if it takes off one contract, oh my god.
Stop filled.
Yeah, we're probably finna hit stop loss, but if we do come back up here, I'm gonna add that contract back, and then we'll go from there. Alright. What did they need help with?
Stop filled.
Oh, they just doing the stickers. Oh. My bad, y'all. Somebody called me, but we just took an L, man. I wanted my win streak to last longer, bro. I'm kind of disappointed, but you know, took an L. What do I do different? Nothing. Just keep shooting, man. Losses are gonna happen. Like, it's a part of the game. It's all a probability game. Like, you're not gonna win every single trade. You gotta know, like, losses are a part of this. It's all about how you turn out in the long term at the end of the month. So I'm still up on the month, so I'm good. That small loss ain't do nothing to me. We lost $128. I ain't even lose all my profits from yesterday, so we just gonna show up tomorrow and do the same thing. Take the same type of setup. You know, just when you take an L, don't get discouraged, and don't, you know, try to switch up your strategy or feel like you're doing something wrong, because you're not. You're just playing, you're just trading. Just trade how you trade. Keep trading how you trade. Just keep shooting. Like, but this setup, I was confident in this setup overall. Like I said, I saw this kind of head and shoulders pattern forming, and I've seen gold come and retest off the 200 and then shoot up crazy a lot. So that was part of, you know, just making me take this setup, because I've seen that happen a lot. but this time it just didn't work out. And that's gonna happen. It's fine, it's gonna happen. But you notice how I cut my loss when we started to get a certain point in drawdown, because I'm knowing, like, you just gotta know, like, if we get to a certain point, like, it's time to cut your loss. Like, nothing, because if I would have never sold a contract, my loss would have been probably bigger than my win yesterday. But yeah, man, it's all about just knowing when to cut your loss and not getting discouraged when you take an L, and just know it's gonna happen. You gotta be like, you gotta not care about the money. Like, I'm just trying to trade my strategy, and I know based off my back testing and all the work that I put in over time, I'm gonna win more than I lose. So that's what it's all about. But that's the end of the video, man. I'll see y'all on the next one. Bruh, I had to come back. Like, what the hell? Go. What did you own, bruh? Like, why did you just do this? Like, I guess I was liquidity today, like, because ain't no way you just came and stopped me out and did this. Like, I don't get it, bruh. So you just ended my win streak just to go back in that same direction? Still, maybe I gotta wait till, oh, this is new. Nah, this is not news. Wait, let me see. Is this news? Why are you on Monday, bro? It's Tuesday. God damn. Canadian, bruh, the Canadian news don't do nothing. Bruh, like, maybe I should have waited until we tap deeper into the head and shoulders, because it did just tap into that and just skyrocket up. So maybe next time I see a setup like this, I'm just gonna wait till we tap into the head and shoulders. But this is absolutely crazy. Like, I was literally liquidity. They took me out, went right back up. Like, what the hell? Can't beat the markets, man. But we'll get it back tomorrow.